Let's just have a quick look at informal, irregular commands, mandatos, informales, irregulares. Okay. And here are some of the most popular, like haz la tarea. Haz is the command form of the verb hacer. Di la verdad. Di is a command form for the verb decir. Ve al desempleo. Okay, ve is a command form of the verb ir. Okay, pon tu solicitud de empleo ahí. Here, pon is a command form for the verb poner. Sal a tiempo. Okay, sal is a command form for the verb salir. Sé amable en la oficina. Here, sé is a command form of the verb ser. Okay, ten paciencia. Here, ten is a command form for the verb tener. Ven a mi oficina. Ven is a command form for the verb venir. Now remember that we also have informal commands in the negative, that they are also irregulars. Like for example, salir, okay. No salgas tarde en la noche. Okay, no salgas tarde en la noche. And the no goes before the verb. And then we have the verb in the subjunctive. No hagas ejercicios en exceso. Okay, the verb is hacer, okay, and we're going to conjugate it in subjunctive because it's negative. Hagas, and we're going to put the no before the verb. Okay, and finally, no vayas a la playa. Okay, vayas is a subjunctive for ir, and we use the subjunctive because it's a negative command, and the no goes before the verb. The informal affirmative commands work just as the formal affirmative commands when it comes to pronouns. Okay, let's look at this example. Llenar la solicitud de empleo. Okay, in this sentence, llenar la solicitud de empleo, the direct object of the sentence is la solicitud de empleo. Okay, la. So if you're going to use a pronoun instead of a direct object, you will write the command this way. Oh, sorry. Llena la. Now, okay. Okay, in this second example, we have the verb decirme and the rest of the sentence, las responsabilidades del puesto. Okay, so we do have a direct object las responsabilidades del puesto. Now, how do we conjugate decirme in the command form? Okay, decir is an irregular command, so it would be something like this. Okay. Dímelas, dímelas. Las stands for las responsabilidades del puesto. Okay, and finally we have the sentence darle la carta de presentación al jefe. And darle la carta de presentación al jefe has a verb. Sorry about that. Has a verb in the infinitive way. It has a direct object, and it has an indirect object. Now, how do we conjugate darle in the command form, and instead of using la carta de presentación or al jefe, we rather use a pronoun? Well, let's say we wanna use the pronoun for the indirect object al jefe. Okay, what we do is we write dele la carta de presentación. Okay, de presentación. Okay, let's say we want to use both pronouns, one for the direct object and another for the indirect object. And we can do that, and it's pretty easy actually. Okay, here it is. Désela. Okay. In désela, la stand for la carta de recomendación. C stands for el jefe, and D is a conjugation of the verb that in the command form.